Hey everybody, welcome to the neck pain module. So we decided to start with neck pain because it's the most common thing we see in clinic every day. So I've been seeing a lot of neck pain over the last 6-7 years in clinic, and there's probably going to be even more in the next 6 to 7 because of tablets, phones, just the way our posture is when we're at work on the computer. People don't stretch, but neck pain can be from a variety of reasons. It could be stress induced, it could be trauma, whiplash injury, mostly posture as well. If it's but most of the time it's either one of the three. So this first set of points is for pain directly on the side of the spine, these muscles right here. So imagine if just for instance, if you have pain like right over here, just pulling over here. So this set of points is for that pain directly right over here to the left and to the right of the spine on the neck. So what you want to do is you want to make a fist, and you see this little thing, that little angle that pops out over here. So you make a loose fist that comes out. This point right here, it's called small intestine 3, and what you want to do is you want to press this entire area over here. Acupressure points are not a specific surgical point, it's actually an entire area. So if you're over here just off a little bit, what you want to be is you want to be right off the bone right here. If you see that bone right here, rather than the meaty part, you want to be closer to the bone, and you want to press and just find the most tender spot. 15 to 30 seconds. Hold 15 to 30 seconds until you find that spot. So right after you're done with your 15 to 30 seconds, take a deep breath. And you just breathe out and try your neck. So the best thing to do is do this before you test your neck out. Just try to turn left, turn right, and then do it. So another thing I forgot to mention is if you have more pain on, say, on the left side, what you want to do is the right side. You always want to do the opposite side first. So if the pain is here, do the right hand. If the pain is here, do the left hand. But there are some instances where you just pain on both sides, then do both hands.